battle where you're seeing the most growth?
I think there was some good stuff at the end. I didn't see a lot of growth during the meat of the game. I saw a little regression, but 22 turnovers, a lot of careless defense, but I was happy with the way we closed the game out. We had some stops and scored 3 straight times, executed offensively. So good way to finish the game, but overall not a great performance, but we'll take it.
When you go to that, like you've got like Drummond out there potentially for screens and services, it looked like we kind of had a few defensive breaks.
You know, we kind of go to that lineup no matter what. I mean, we feel comfortable with Draymond guarding any center, even somebody as big and strong as Drummond. And you know, it's our best 5 players. We throw them out there on the floor, and they know how to play together. So they did a good job, as I said, just finishing the game out and making some plays.
The high post passing, what are the options you have with him there? David West?
David was terrific. He and Ian have a nice connection. Ian's a fantastic guy. And he's, I think David, just from the elbows, really sees the play over the top really well. And those connections really in the 4th quarter were big plays.
How good was Clay?
Yeah.
Defensively too.
Yeah, he did a great job. You know, made a couple big shots and also stayed strong defensively. We finally got communication together in the last minute or so with those high screens. We switched out and put some good shots.
Quiet plays for him down the stretch?
Yeah, we ran a couple plays for him. You know, all the stuff we run, you know, kind of has a couple different options, and so we had him coming off the screen a couple of times, and Steph just made the right read and found him twice for the shots. And Clay is so confident in those situations, even on the night when he doesn't really have a role. We're still going to go to him if he's open.
It's a rare points off the turnover. Still, attribute the sloppiness to.
I don't know. You know, maybe back to back. I just think that we weren't sharp, obviously, but to be able to win with 22 turnovers, leading to 33 points, is pretty remarkable on the road, especially. But I give Detroit credit. They're an excellent defensive team. They're a top 5 defensive club in this league. They forced a lot of those turnovers. Either by money or overcoming.
Do you feel like the last 48 hours kind of?
Oh yeah. I mean, we flew across the country 3 times in the last 48 hours. I thought that was probably a good reason for his slow start. What you saw what he did in the second half, his defense, his ball handling and assists. You could tell he was a little rusty earlier. He was fumbling the ball. His pass has been sharp. I think he was brilliant in the second half, and obviously a huge factor.
What's your excitement level? One of these things big in the grand scheme, but have you guys tested?
Yeah, it'll be fun. I'm really looking forward to it. Obviously, we're going to be at home on Christmas, but you know, it is an honor to play on Christmas Day and to play against Gary. Obviously, a huge challenge, great challenge, and I'm looking forward to it.
Do you put any more stock in it than just another game?
You know, you always look forward to certain games against the best teams. It doesn't mean anything for later, you know, for whatever happens down the road. But it's always a fun time to play on Christmas, and fun to play against a great team. And I think we're all looking forward to the game, and then we're looking forward to getting home afterwards.
How do you think Durant versus LeBron into this rivalry that's building? How does that change this matchup?
Well, we feel a little more comfortable going into this matchup, having Kevin Durant on our team. But no, it's been a great rivalry. Obviously, the last couple of years, you know, LeBron is so good, so big, strong, smart. You know, he's phenomenal player, and it's nice to be able to go back with Kevin. Obviously, they've known each other quite a bit. But you know, we've got a lot of other guys we got to worry about, and just as they have to worry about one of our guys, and it still comes down to how you play as a team at both ends. We got to do a much better job taking care of the ball. I know that if we turn it over 23 times, we're not winning in Cleveland. So we've got some improvement to make, but again, it's going to be